Imagine an unstoppable smartwatch that never needs to be plugged in. For years, the smartwatch industry has been moving in tiny, boring steps. We get a slightly brighter screen, a marginally faster chip, or a new health feature that feels ordinary after just a few days. Real, mind-blowing innovation has been completely dead, but secret leaked supply chain reports show that everything is about to change. If these leaks are true, the upcoming flagship outdoor watch is about to completely shatter our expectations. This is not a simple yearly refresh or a recycled marketing promise. Every single core part of the premium watch experience is being completely redesigned. An absolute beast of an expedition tool is being engineered. This watch is being built from the ground up for ultra-runners, extreme climbers, military professionals, and off-grid explorers who need to survive the most punishing conditions on Earth. The goal this time is simple: zero compromises. The absolute biggest game changer is the rumored display technology. For a decade, premium watch buyers have been trapped in a frustrating debate. You either had to choose a beautiful AMOLED screen with rich colors that absolutely killed your battery, or a dull memory and pixel display that lasted forever but looked terribly outdated indoors. You had to sacrifice beauty for battery or battery for beauty. The new FX9 Pro is about to delete that choice entirely. Internal testing logs show next-generation microLED display technology is being used. Micro-LED is the holy grail of screens. Instead of traditional materials, it uses microscopic non-organic light emitters for every single pixel. This results in an insanely bright screen with sharper contrast and mind-boggling energy efficiency. The leaked numbers are absolutely wild. The screen is rumored to blast out nearly 4,500 nits of brightness. This means the watch face will remain perfectly crisp and legible even under direct, blinding desert sunlight, or on a snow-covered mountain peak at midday where other watches instantly fail. But the real magic is how little power this screen actually consumes. Micro-LED uses a fraction of the energy of older displays. For the very first time in wearable history, elite visual performance and legendary battery endurance finally live together. On top of that, advanced low-light and tactical modes are being tested. This ultra-low ambient setting drops the brightness to a level that completely protects natural night vision while keeping users stealthy. It drastically lowers energy consumption during critical night operations. For military operators, overnight ultramarathoners, and deep wilderness explorers, this tiny feature could save a life when every single percentage of battery capacity means everything. Of course, a brilliant screen is completely useless without an equally powerful charging system. That brings us to the next massive leak: Solar 3 charging technology. Groundbreaking patents have reportedly been filed for a solar system that completely removes that ugly, visible red solar ring from older models. Instead, the new photovoltaic solar layer sits completely invisible right beneath the display crystal. This gives the watch a stunningly clean, high-end design while drastically increasing total energy absorption. When you combine this advanced solar crystal with the extreme efficiency of the micro-LED screen, something legendary is achieved. Internal documents literally describe the goal as indefinite runtime. Think about that for a second. In expedition mode, with just normal daily exposure to sunlight, this watch could theoretically run forever without ever touching a charging cable. Even under brutal, heavy daily use with full GPS tracking, health monitoring, and smart notifications, the larger 51 version is rumored to deliver a massive 35 days of real-world battery life. For long-distance athletes and remote global travelers, that kind of freedom changes the entire game. The upgrades do not stop at battery life because navigation is getting a massive upgrade too. Even the most expensive smartwatches on the market today struggle to maintain accuracy inside dense forests, deep mountain valleys, or urban jungles crowded with massive skyscrapers. This issue is being fixed by introducing a brand new, ultra-precise tri-band global navigation satellite system. While most high-end watches use dual-band GPS, adding a third dedicated frequency pushes positioning accuracy down to sub-meter levels. This might sound like boring technical jargon, but the real-world impact is absolutely massive. Trail runners will finally see perfectly clean route maps without annoying random jumps. Hikers navigating treacherous, narrow mountain paths will get highly precise tracking. City runners moving between giant concrete skyscrapers will completely avoid signal bounce errors that totally ruin pace and distance data. True accuracy builds deep trust, and earning that trust is the primary focus. To smoothly run all of these heavy upgrades, the FX9 Pro is packing a significantly faster processor and a beautifully redesigned 120Hz user interface. Anyone who has ever tried to load complex maps on older smartwatches knows the painful frustration of lag and frozen screens. This new powerhouse system delivers butter-smooth scrolling, instantaneous map rendering, and incredibly responsive terrain overlays. It will finally feel exactly like using a modern smartphone right on your wrist. If even half of these leaked supply chain details are true, this new device will not just compete in the current smartwatch market. It will completely redefine what a serious outdoor wearable can be. If these bold promises are actually delivered, this will easily become the most complete, unstoppable adventure watch ever created by humanity. It will undoubtedly be expensive, but for professionals, elite athletes, and hardcore explorers, it will be worth every single dollar. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like.